Gusto nyo ma-amaze? As in super duper amaze? If yes, check this out. These are the island groups sa Visayas. If you look at this, may Bohol, may Cebu, Negros Oriental, Negros Occidental, Capiz, Iloilo, Antique, which is like the whole Panay Island, may Samar, may Leyte. Almost all, hindi almost, lahat ng mga islands na ite ay merong witchcraft, wizardry, mambabarang, or healing stories. Leyte and Samar are known for witchcraft and wizardry. Bohol has healing stories. Cebu may mga aswang manananggal din dyan. Negros, Oriental, definitely, meron din mga aswang. Negros Occidental, meron tayo. Definitely sa Sagay, marami. Bulanon, 'di ba? Mga manughilo and all that stuff. Iloilo, aswang stories, manananggal stories, mga manugbarang. Siquijor, of course, sikat. Guimaras, Antique, lahat. Lahat ng mga islands sa Visayas, group of islands, have witchcraft, wizardry, healing, mambabarang stories. Lahat. What does that imply? Anong ibig sabihin yan? Let's go back to history. Before dumating ang Spaniards, ano ba yung nangyayari sa Philippines? Before dumating ang Spaniards, Philippines was already populated by people who are animist by nature, no? They worship nature, they believe in the spirits na naninirahan sa nature. Bakit ako nagtatagalog? Hindi ko alam, but indulge me. They believe in the spirits na naninirahan sa nature. They worship those spirits, and they believe that certain people are connected to the mortal world and the spirit world. Who are these people? Babaylans. They believe that Babaylans have this power that allows them to connect from the mortal world to the spirit world. They believe that these Babaylans not only connects the mortal world to the spirit world, but is able to communicate to the spirits there and are able to gauge the spirits or make the spirits help the mortal realm. Okay? Spirit world. We all believe in the spirit world even before the Spaniards came. That's why it's so easy for us to accept the Catholic as a religion, because almost the same ang concept. The Catholics also believe in a spirit world. Okay? So, parehas lang. That's why it's easy for the Filipinos to become converted kasi almost the same. What's the point I'm trying to make? The point I'm trying to make is, hindi lang surface level ang aton babaylan power sa Visayas. Our ancestors was able to tap into deeper levels of witchcraft, wizardry, and healing even before the Spaniards came. Grabe na ila kapangyarihan to heal that they can use powdered roots, they can use certain plants, they can use the seasons, or biskan bugahan ka lang nila, maayo ka or mapatay ka. Amo na kagrabe ila kapangyarihan. But when the Spaniards came, they need the Filipinos to stop believing in this nature, babaylan, shaman powers, because the Spaniards want them to believe on the priests, on the Catholics, on the santo and santa nga ginahambal nila, di ba? Because they wanted to convert to Christianity. So kinanglan nila i-rebrand or in-negative branding through religion ining mga ancient belief. So ginhabalan na nila nga, hindi ka mag-worship sa mga amuning nga mga babaylan, yung mga aswang, kay mga iyan asla sa mga demonyo. Hindi ka mo magkaon sa mga amuning nga ugat, dapat amunin nyo kaunon. Hindi na ka mo magsaot-saot sa bulan kung magsanag ang bulan, because that's demonic. Dapat diri ka mo mamati sa pari, diri ka mo mamati sa Biblia. And so our ancestors started to turn away from these practices. Kaya na-rebrand na siya negatively sa mga Catholics. But hindi tanan nag-turn away. The people who did not turn away still practice this healing practices or spiritual animistic practices and pass them down from generation to generation. That's why, for example, diri sa Sagay, kung may gahambal sila nga mga may manughilo sa Bulanon, I don't see that as a negative thing anymore. I see that as something wait, basi ang kaalam sa mga ancestors naton before nga na-preserve nila, wala sila nagpati-pati sa mga Espanyol, na-preserve nila ila kaalam about nature and this animistic way of healing using nature powers and all that. Basi amon yung ginagamit nila. Pero kay nahuya lang sila, there is shame in that knowledge. Nahuya sila, there is shame in that knowledge. Hindi nila mapautwas fully. Pero what if once we embrace and be proud of this knowledge, what if hindi na siya gali pwede magamit sa negative lang? What if positive? 'Di ba? For example, ang mga taga-Bulano nabi nga kaya ko nila manghilo ha. I don't know anyone nga nag-amin pa sa akon, pero I taught in Bulanon for 3 years and I know a lot of stories there. What if in mga taga-Bulanon and in mga hiluan, what if kung i-embrace naton ang ina nga knowledge, what if ang ina gali nga abilidad nila amo pa nagali ang susi nga maka-cure cancer, kay they can manipulate these plants, these chemicals, or kung ano-ano pa nila gagamit to enter the body of a person in a lethal way. What if amo pa nagali kaya gali na nila i-manipulate nga hindi lang to kill someone but to kill certain cells, such as cancer, 'di ba? What I'm trying to say is, inibilang mga knowledge sang una nga mga pang luya-luyan. Sang una wala mo ko nagapati mo kay Mormons kuya. Pero na-realize ko, hindi ta nagali dapat i-disregard ni nga mga knowledge because this knowledge are passed down from our ancestors and this has historical validity and basis. Hindi ta siya basta-basta i-chapwera in favor of Western healing and Western medicine, because even before pa nag-abot ang mga Espanyol, Western and Americans, and taught us Western healing, gina-practice na nga daan sang aton nga mga ancestors diba? Garant ko, pero I hope you get my point.